Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recording toggle. And for me it's right over here. So once you find it, you can hold it, and this will presumably take us to the settings for the recording, so you can quickly customize to fit your needs. As an example, picture quality, you can set it to whatever you want. Sound, we have actually decent options here, so if system audio, microphone, system and microphone, or nothing. Now if you're planning to use the second last option with the system audio and microphone, do use headphones with this. That is a recommended thing, because if you don't, the device will record whatever the sound it's making from like games or whatever internally before it leaves the microphone, and then the microphone will listen to you. So if it hears the sound coming through the micro or through the speakers, the microphone will pick that up and it will create basically this dual like audio to it. It will have an echo effect, which isn't necessarily what you probably want in your recording. So anyway, I'll close this. There's not much settings in here furthermore, so I'm just gonna leave this and find the toggle once again and simply tap on it. Now this will automatically start recording, as you can see, so whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. So this will extend over to applications as well. I can, as you've seen, I just paused the video, so let me just quickly close it, which will save it. There we go. So it will record whatever you're doing, including apps. Now apps is a little bit a tricky one. Some apps will completely black any kind of recording, screenshots, stuff like that, for some just absolute crap reasons. I mean, there are ones that I would, I guess, expect. So Netflix and any kind of video, TV show streaming application will black screenshots and videos for obvious reasons, but there are some other ones that will also do it. As an example, I believe I actually don't remember, there was an app which you wouldn't be able to record screen. Now additionally, also if you're using things like Chrome and the private mode, or whatever it's called, it also will black your screen recording and screenshots. So anyway, moving on, once you have captured your screenshot, you can open up your gallery application, and in here, as you can see, there is the screen recording and it's already playing, and it looks like it's also playing it in 60 frames, which is really nice. Now as you can see, I didn't do much, but that's basically the gist of it. You just record whatever you're doing on your screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.